So hey everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping in. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about building our drone businesses here, and that's what we're doing today as well, with a bit of a twist. We're coming into the holiday season, so Black Friday is just a couple of days away. And then, of course, we still have more sales into Christmas and even New Year's. And here at Arizona Drone, we're kind of going with that pattern as well. So this is going to be a quick update to let you guys know that we are doing a special price for our drone construction progression bundle. So we do a lot of construction progression for our clients, and we take you along in several of the videos that we have up online. So to learn more about that, you can check out classes.azdrone.net. Now, we have other videos as well over at classes.azdrone.net, but I really like where we've gone with our construction progression work because we've taken you out to the sites with us as we follow the build outs of these new residential communities or commercial locations, industrial locations as well. But right now we've got 3 different projects going on that are all about new residential areas and tracking those residential areas. So one of the series that we're doing right now is coming up on 2 years since we actually went for the groundbreaking to check out the build out. So we've been tracking that one for a couple of years, several times a month. And that is just one of the 18 courses that we offer at classes.azdrone. So my favorite ones, and I said this in my last video on this, but my favorite ones, a full residential drone construction job, that one is still ongoing, and we're still documenting it every other couple of weeks. And we've also brought you along to talk to you about how we've built everything for those clients. We also have drone construction progression reporting. I did a series of videos on the reporting that we do and how we lay everything out for our clients. We also have a custom drone deliverables web pages video, and we talk about how you can do some really super custom presentations for your clients on top of the great work that you're already doing on the drone side. We have several other drone construction progression reporting videos that are getting a little older, but they're still relevant. And you'll see, once again, you'll come out to the job sites with us, you'll see what we've done, you'll see how we've set things up, which is just absolutely fantastic. We've got multiple other videos, including a video on utilizing Metashape for doing 2D and 3D models. And so that is also in the group. So in total, there are 18 classes. And we're marking this bundle down 50%. So normally it's $275 for the bundle of 18. And for this holiday season, it's marked down to $137, I think $137.50. I know, odd number, but we were just breaking it 50% from the original $275. If you are interested in our classes, also when you go to classes.azdrone.net, each of our course series does offer several free previews so that you can see how we instruct on this, if it's interesting to you, and if you like the style that we do here at Arizona Drone. All right, everybody. With that said, I'm keeping this one really short. It is the holiday season. There's a million other Black Friday things out there that you got to go digging through. But make sure to bookmark us and come check it out, because I think some of these classes might help you learn about building a construction progression drone business as we've been doing here at AZ Drone.